Well, April's over, but it's still raining. It rained yesterday, it rained all night, and it rained today too. Mommy said it rained 3.74 inches since yesterday. We looked out the window when we got up this morning and we said, oh, it's still raining. Even Oliver said, I'm not going out either. Then Mommy said, well, we can still have some fun. And she helped us to build a pillow fort with the lawn chair cushions. We had so much fun. There were even some treats hiding down inside. Well, I think Chubby found more treats than I did. But maybe we can go outside and treasure hunt outside and see what we can find. So then after a little while, the rain almost stopped. And so Mom said, maybe we should go wind our P's and Poohs now. I put on my raincoat because I don't like my hair to get all wet and messy. But Oliver didn't want to wear his. Anyway, we went out looking for treasures. And the first thing we found was sushi. But Mommy said, nope, not going to eat that. So we had to leave it. So then we kept going. And when we got home, we found some treasure. Some deer had left us big cupcakes in the yard, and that was exciting. But better than that, in the backyard, a deer had laid a baby, and that was very, very exciting. I hope you had a very exciting good day too. That's all for now. Jap and Ollie.